Namaste, my friends. How are you? Today we are going to see the normal Zeeman effect. Why name is given normal Zeeman effect? This is because sodium atom is placed in strong magnetic field due to application of strong magnetic field. The original D1 line splits up into three spectral lines, and D2 line is also splits up into three spectral lines. The, the plane of vibration of central spectral line is perpendicular to the applied strong magnetic field, and the plane of vibration of outer two component of the spectral line is parallel to the applied magnetic strong magnetic field. This is observed by Zeeman, and people are thinking a normal Zeeman effect when explaining, try to explain. There is number of questions come under this concept. This is because they are thinking in the place of single D1 line, what happens due to applied magnetic field? The three spectral lines are observed. म्हणजे एका स्पेक्ट्रल लाईनच्या ठिकाणी तीन स्पेक्ट्रल लाईन त्यांना मिळाल्या. एवढंच नाही मित्रांनो, हे प्लेन पोलराइज्ड आहेत आणि प्लेन ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ सेंट्रल स्पेक्ट्रल लाईन ही परपेंडिक्युलर आहे अप्लाइड मॅग्नेटिक फील्डला, आणि आउटर टू कॉम्पोनंट्स पॅरलल आहे टू अप्लाइड मॅग्नेटिक फील्डला. मग याचं काय कारण? मग याच्या पाठीमागची थिअरी रिसर्च सुद्धा असाच असतो मित्रांनो. When you are going to research, I already given one project to my group, Nalavade, Shinde, and Mamta. These are the active persons working on the under the project. But what happened? They not able to understand how these things are happening scientifically, and what we have to do work so that you can achieve the proper results. Even though number of times I explained them, they are not grasping that. Some there may be problems to each other. They are facing maybe some problems, my friends. But this is very important. This is the one best example of the normal Zeeman effect. This is because why these three spectral lines are observed, and what is the theory behind that? That is we have to prove, and that is proved by Zeeman. That's why name is given normal Zeeman effect. Like that, you will be the one of the effect by working properly. Nalavade effect, Shinde effect, Mamta Singh effect. कसं काय मित्रांनो, जर तुम्हाला एखादा रीडिंग आली वेगळी, तर ही रीडिंग काय वेळी आली, याच्यासाठी काय केलं पाहिजे? पेपर वाचले पाहिजे, रिसर्च पेपर त्याच्यावर किती झाले, ते काय होत असेल स्टडी करत गेला पाहिजे. नेहमीप्रमाणे अभ्यास करत बसला तुम्ही आणि पुस्तक घेऊन बसला, तसं ते रिसर्च पेपर घेऊन बसून नाही चालत. त्याला वाचायला पाहिजे. एक नाही, 10 नाही, 50, 100 पेपर वाचले पाहिजे, आणि मग तुम्हाला एक चांगल्या प्रकारचं अंदाज येतो की बाबा हे का झालं असेल. तसंच या सायंटिस्टने केलेलं आहे. बघा कसं आहे. आता तुम्ही तर म्हणता एका ठिकाणी 3 स्पेक्ट्रल लाईन, मग त्यांनी एक्सप्लेन केलं कसं बघा. An atom has electron in their outermost half-filled shell or substrate. Sodium has only single electron in the outermost substrate. Why? Because sodium has total 11 electrons. Out of their 2 electrons in the first orbit, remaining 8 electrons in the second orbit. What is remaining? Only single electron. That is in the third orbit. That is in the M cell. This electron has a orbital motion. मित्रांनो, ह्याची जी प्रॉपर्टी आहे या 11व्या इलेक्ट्रॉनची म्हणजे या कंप्लीट सोडियमची आहे. जसं पलूस मतदारसंघामध्ये विश्वजित कदम म्हणून आमदार म्हणून निवडून गेलेले आहेत, तर ह्या मतदारसंघाचं जे काही पालकत्व आहे ते विश्वजित कदम स्वीकारतात आणि त्याप्रमाणे त्याच्या काही गोष्टी मंजूर करून आणणे, इथले धोरण ठरवणे, बाबा कोविड झाला एवढे वॅक्सिन इकडे पाठवणे, त्यानंतर एवढे ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय झाला पाहिजे, हे सगळं वाटायचं धोरण सगळं विश्वजित कदमाच्या, म्हणजे ती जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करतोय विश्वजित कदम, that is the 11th electron. Okay, this electron has a orbital motion, hence it possesses angular momentum Al given by Al equal to under root L into L plus 1 h bar, that is equal to under root L into L plus 1 h upon 2 pi. Equation number 1. What is L? Orbital counter number. What is the values of the orbital counter number? L equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. For example, for L equal to 0, Al equal to 0. For L equal to 1, Al equal to L 1 into 1 plus 1 means 2 root 2 h bar. For L equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 6 h bar. That is 6 under root 6 h bar. Like that, the orbital angular momentum changes. This orbital electron gives rise to magnetic moment mu L given by mu L equal to minus E upon 2m into Al. My friends, Biot-Savart law tells us whenever there is a charge in motion, it generates a magnetic property. Similarly, due to orbital motion of the electron, it generates a magnetic moment mu L, which is given by minus E upon twice m into Al. Why minus sign? This is because electron is a negative charge. What is the value of Al? It is depends upon the formula L into L plus 1 h upon twice pi. What is changing? L value only changing. Depending upon that Al value, mu L value changes. Now very important, how this scientist goes further. When external strong magnetic field is applied, then vectors Al and mu L began to precess about external magnetic field. If theta is the angle between direction of the magnetic field and direction of the magnetic moment, see in the figure. Suppose along the z direction magnetic field is applied, then Al vector due to the angular momentum of orbital motion is precessing around the applied magnetic field, and mu L is the magnetic moment generated due to orbital motion of the electron, that is also precessing around the applied strong magnetic field. Okay, then on the right hand side you see this is the ML vector and applied magnetic field is in the z direction. Then this is the theta angle between this ML and applied magnetic field H. Now we proceed further. If mu is magnetic moment of dipole H, applied H is the applied magnetic strong magnetic field, put 2 in 3. What is 2? Equation number 2 is mu L equal to minus E upon twice m Al into 3. What is delta E? What is the dipole moment possess the energy delta E given by delta E equal to mu h into cos theta. In the place of mu, we have to put the value of mu L. H cos theta is remaining as it is. Therefore, additional energy gained by that orbit equal to delta E equal to minus into bracket minus E upon 2m L bracket complete h cos theta. Put 1 in 4. What is 1? It is the value of L. Therefore, delta E equal to minus minus plus. Therefore, delta E equal to E upon twice m h upon twice pi h into under root L into L plus 1 h cos theta. Now, my friends, delta E equal to E upon 2 pi h upon twice pi h into ml, where ml equal to, from this diagram, upper diagram, under root L into L plus 1 cos theta equal to ml. How this cos theta comes? Because, my friends, cos theta is equal to, in Marathi, लगतची बाजू भागिले कर्ण. लगतची बाजू किती आहे? ml आहे. कर्ण किती आहे? अंडर रूट एल प्लस 1. त्यामुळे कॉस थिटा बरोबर ml अपॉन अंडर रूट एल प्लस 1. देअरफॉर ml इक्वल टू अंडर रूट एल इंटू एल प्लस 1 कॉस थिटा. Okay. For more details, you can see the Atomic Physics by Beiser. This book is very useful to you. Now, this additional energy in the applied magnetic field, delta E equal to E upon twice m into h. All this constant. H upon twice pi. This is also constant. And what is the variable? ml. Here, E upon twice m into h represents angular velocity of precession motion of Newell about the direction of applied magnetic field. It is also called as Zeeman frequency because it is discovered by scientist Zeeman. So, my friend, by doing this research, I have given a problem to my group under which we are going to do some research. There is a difference. You have to read number of research paper. Unless and until you reach to a certain conclusion, you have to read number of research paper. How it comes in the conclusion? This is the Zeeman frequency. Why? E upon twice m into h represents angular velocity of the precession of motion of the Newell about the direction of h. म्हणजे जे डायग्राम मध्ये झेड डायरेक्शन दाखवल्या त्या झेडच्या भोवती न्यूवेल प्रिसेस व्हायला लागलेला आहे. प्रिसेस म्हणजे कळते की नाही? भोवऱ्यासारखं. त्या प्रिसेशन वेलॉसिटी किती आहे? अँग्युलर वेलॉसिटीची E अपॉन ट्वाइस m इंटू h. ही कुणी शोधून काढली? सायंटिस्ट झीमाननं शोधून काढली. थेरॉटिकली मित्रांनो, हे थेरॉटिकली आहे. तसं तुम्ही थेरॉटिकली कन्सेप्ट मांडले पाहिजे नंबर ऑफ रिसर्च पेपर वाचून. तर तुम्हाला कळणार की हे का आलं, त्याचं कारण काय. नाहीतर उठला आपल्या 4 वळी लिहिल्या, काहीतरी इकडे हे केलं तिकडे हे केलं असं नाही चालत. तर तुमचा चांगला रिसर्च होतोय. त्यामुळे काळजी घ्या. वारंवार ओढून मी सांगितलेलं आहे बऱ्याच वेळेला, रिसर्च पेपर वाचा. वाचली की आणि एक्सक्यूज नाही, माझ्याकडे लॅपटॉप नाही, माझं हे नाही, ते नाही, नेट नाही. हे अरे आयुष्यात काहीतरी करायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला करावं लागेल. ओके, हिअर वी विल स्टॉप हिअर.